This 2019 Jayco Jay Flight 34 RSBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 37 feet 6 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, microwave, slide-out, smoke detector, external shower, water heater, skylight, DVD player, stovetop burner, LP detector, and 80 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Jayco Jay Flight 34 RSBS is 8,835 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.